Hello children, welcome back to grade 7 computer digital learning platform. Children, today I am going to discuss on the topic cell reference and its types. Let's understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know about cell reference in Excel. Let's begin the topic cell reference and its types. The cell address that we use in the formula is known as cell reference. For example, A1, where A denotes the column name and 1 denotes the row number. With references, you can use the data from different parts of the worksheet or different sheets of the worksheet. There are three types of cell references. They are relative reference, absolute reference, mixed reference. Children, let us learn these three in detail. Relative reference. When we create a formula, references to a cell or ranges are usually based on the position relative to the cell. When we copy or move the formula to other cells, the reference to the cell automatically gets changed. For example, the formula in A3 is A1 plus A2. When you copy the formula from A3 to B3, Excel automatically changes the references to match the location of cells. That is, B1 in place of A1 and B2 in place of A2. Children, let us try it practically. I want to calculate total expenses. So I want to copy the formula total sale. Click on the cell B8 in which formula equal to sum B2 to B7 is written. Click on the copy button. Select the cell C8 and click on the paste button. Children, observe that the cell reference in C8 changes automatically from B2 to B7 to C2 to C7. Children, this is the relative cell reference. Hope you understood about this. Absolute reference. Absolute reference is used when you do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula to another cell. To use absolute reference in a cell, you need to add $sign before the column and row number. For example, $A, $1 plus $A, $2. Children, let us check it practically. To calculate the incentive at the rate of 10% on monthly sales, type 10% in cell 11. Children, to calculate the incentive at the rate of 10% on monthly sales, type 10% in cell 11. Click on the cell D2, type equal to B2, asterisk symbol for multiplication, $E, $11 and press the enter key. The cell D2 displays the value 100. The first cell address has no $sign, so it is relative reference, and the second cell address is absolute. Therefore, when the cell content is copied, the first one will change the reference in the new location, but second will remain the same, that is $E, $11. Now copy the total incentive amount for other cells by dragging the mouse pointer to rest of the cells when it changes to plus symbol. Children, hope you understood how to use absolute reference. Mixed reference. It is combination of relative and absolute reference. In this type reference, either row or column has to remain fixed. For example, equal to $A1 plus A, $2. Children, let us see this practically. Children, type 100 in the cell E12, click on the cell E2. type equal to $C2 minus $12. Then press enter key. You can calculate actual expenses of other cell by dragging the mouse pointer to the rest of the cells when it changes to plus sign. Children, now it is calculated actual expenses with the help of mixed references. Hope you understood about this. Children, let us end our session with a home play. Answer the following questions. 1. What is cell reference? Mention its types. 2. Differentiate between relative and absolute cell references. You will complete these home plays in your computer notebook. Thank you.